Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and this tutorial is for the absolute beginner. Anybody, if you're joining us, if you're finding us, and you're new here, thanks for joining us. If you know anybody who has any interest in learning Python or programming and doesn't know where to start, share this video with them. So I want to take a second and really introduce you to the channel and what it has to offer. So I'm a self-taught programmer, and what the thought behind this channel was, the problems that I had, I wanted to make sure you didn't have them. And the other thing was when I saw a video that I liked, I couldn't remember exactly where it was. So what we do here is we do micro videos. We do bite-sized videos. And I also want to point out, those are not my words. Those are subscribers' words. And that's what I really try to base this channel upon, is what do you need? What did I need? And then more direct, what do you need? So this is probably my favorite playlist right here, a deep dive. So these are actually video requests of a more in-depth look of a subject that I had already made a video on. And I have this broken down, and actually these right here are also a request from subscribers. So I have currently I have over 540 videos broken down in playlists of 100, so they're a little manageable. Then also they are grouped into their subject matter. So if you're new here, you can go to getting started, and that has how to install and some of the very basic about string assignment, how assignments work, what are variables, and things like that. Then you have strings, dictionaries, lists, built-in functions. And then it goes from there to some more advanced libraries. If you've been around a while, you can go see Pygame, Pandas, Matplotlib for graphing and data analysis, NumPy and Kiwi for application development. But if there, and the reason why I've made these micro videos, or I made the micro videos and then that name was shared and I have taken it. But so you can go and just search for anything that has to do with a list, and you will get every single video that has anything to do or has list associated with it. Then let's see, string. You're like, I really don't know what strings are. Boom, here we go. But anything that you want to know, I want this to be your one-stop shop, because I remember I was all over the place. It was so frustrating. I couldn't remember where I saw, when did I see that? Where was it in the video? Some people like the long videos. Those didn't work for me. And I started noticing that other people wanted smaller videos. So I did this, and you guys have given me great feedback. So it's the beginning of a new school year. Fall is coming and people are going back to school. So I wanted to make sure that this video got out, and you guys also helped share this video, because somebody out there, because I remember I started and stopped and tried to learn programming and was frustrated, had an issue. Then I read an article probably 8 years ago now about Python. It was actually about big data. I don't even know if you hear that term anymore. It's kind of moved over to data science. But I heard about this language called Python. Had never heard about it before. Then I started learning that it had been around for a very long time and had a very strong community, was written like English, so very readable. And then I saw how clean and clear and simple it was. So I just thought, with it being a new school year, and I redesigned the setup on the page a little bit with feedback from you guys, and that's what I love about this channel. Everything that's on this channel is feedback from you guys, and I just want to tell you thank you as well, and I appreciate all the support that I have been getting. It has been absolutely wonderful. So please don't hesitate to comment, ask a video request, Give me a suggestion of something that I need to do different. But please, if you know anybody who is wanting to learn programming and Python specifically, share this with them, because I really truly believe that this will tear down that barrier and destroy any fears and concerns that they may have. So thanks guys, as always, for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to share, like, and if you are new here, make sure you subscribe, because we have videos coming out all the time. So I think I'm going to take a week off. I got some stuff coming up, and I have not built up a cache of videos. So I'll see you guys back in a week, but we'll just keep going. So thanks again, guys, and we'll see you next time.